This episode explores coral reef restoration powered by AI-driven underwater robots that map reefs in real time and model recovery. Experts explain how autonomous drones collect imagery, identify damaged coral, and guide targeted restoration with minimal disturbance. Industry leaders cite potential to accelerate recovery, protect fisheries, and inform coastal planning for sustainable tourism. Volunteer testimonials express renewed hope as community data drives decisions that boost reef resilience. The finale envisions broader use in marine conservation and stresses ethical guidelines to harmonize science with local needs.